This is my sister Helen in England. I'm Miss Ali in Alaska. And today we are going to be making pancakes for Pancake Day. This is a tradition that we had growing up. Pancake Day is also known as Mardi Gras, and it's the day before Lent. That's a religious celebration and a practice of not eating or giving things up. And the tradition was that you would use up your ingredients that were going to go off the day before. So eggs and milk, that's what's going to go into our pancakes. Our pancakes are a little bit different in England, and the toppings are a little bit different. So you'll find out about that. Helen, what do you know about Pancake Day?
What you just said. That's about all. I just remember just thinking, I just love pancakes.
It was always a treat to have pancakes for dinner.
Yeah,
that was a treat. But there are places in England where they have pancake races. And I have not been to any of those or seen them, but we did always try and persuade our mother to toss a pancake. Did you ever try that, Helen?
I've tossed a pancake.
I've tried, but I've been successful more than once. So do you want to try tossing a pancake today?
Yeah, I'll give it a go. What could go wrong?
So pancake races, it's just like a normal race. You have a starting line and people line up and they have their frying pan in their hands and they're tossing the pancake as they're running to the finish line. And there are some rules. I will find out more about those in a bit. But let's start with the pancakes. So here's my recipe. For one big batch of pancakes, you need 2 cups of flour, 3 cups of milk, and 4 eggs. So the most expensive one you have the most of, and the least expensive one you have the least of. Is that your recipe?
Yes, once you taught me that one, because it was much easier to remember. Because we don't use cups in England. We tend to weigh everything.
Oh, so,
yeah. Mine's, what have I got? It was, I can't remember it now. Sorry, folks. So my recipe is 140 grams of plain flour, 200 mils of milk, and 2 eggs.
So, okay, do you know how many cups that would be of flour?
No. Is my honest answer. Maybe we'll find out.
How about I weigh it, my cup, and then we'll see. Because maybe that is like my recipe cut in half.
Yeah, I think it is.
Okay.
It sounds about right, is my gut feeling. It's very, very similar.
Yeah, so the English pancakes look a lot more like crepes.
Yeah.
They
are crepes, the rule, really. Yeah.
And then the other thing is that I don't have a mixer. I only have my arm power. So my handy tip is, you're going to do this too. So I made some
mixer for this.
Oh, you don't?
No.
I made some last night because mine is always lumpy.
Yeah, mine needs about a 30-minute rest after you've made it.
Oh, okay, that's all you need. I've always done mine overnight because I don't like lumpy pancakes.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's pretty easy. Are you going to do your recipe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. To be honest, I haven't done this one in ages. Because I'm the only pancake eater in the house now.
And we just had the discussion that we're not going to sieve them. We feel like it's going to be fine once we mix it. Ooh. Yeah. So I'm doing 2 cups of flour in kind of a messy way, which is usually how I do it.
Some things don't change, do they, Ali?
No, I go this way. It'll probably be a little easier. Ooh.
Okay. I think the recipe does say sift your flour, but I don't think it makes much difference.
And then, so I need 3 cups of milk. That's a lot of milk. But if you're doing a family of 4, then this will go pretty fast. I have a leak in my cup. So I'm not going to put as much in there. I need a new cup. I broke that one.
Well, I think I'm going to be doing this slightly different to you.
4 eggs for me.
2 for me.
Don't forget to wash your hands before you do this.
Oh, nice.
It's a little messy.
2 eggs. This is just so simple to make. It's
like
5 minutes.
This is my recipe for a family of 4, and back in the day when we used to have sleepovers too.
Oh, perfect.
I remember eating pancakes for breakfast and pancakes for lunch and pancakes for dinner.
You see, I've done mine slightly different, mainly because I read the recipe. So I've done half my milk to make my a stiffer batter, and then it hasn't got lumps in, and then you have the rest of your milk.
I think I used to do that, but because I've already got one made ready to go.
Yeah. Well, I won't worry about resting mine, I'm sure.
Because mine definitely has lumps.
Yeah. There we go.
So I'm just going to let this one set. We can be done when you think you're ready. Or do you?
Because it's just so simple. You just chuck everything in, and you're done.
Do you want yours to sit for 30 minutes, or are you going to cook it?
I don't mind.
You don't mind lumpy pancakes?
Mine isn't lumpy mix, mate. I think you should try doing your flour and your eggs and half your milk first, and it'll be really thick, but you won't get the lumps, and then add the rest of your milk to loosen it up.
Yep. That's because you're wise. All right. Should we get cooking now? You want to start cooking?
Sure. 25 grams of melted butter going in. I forgot.
You know, I think originally I used to put a little butter in too. But that was back in the days when we didn't have spray oil, didn't use spray oil. But now this seems like the miracle thing to make great.
Yeah. Well, a good non-stick pan makes a vast difference, doesn't it?
Yeah, I don't think I had a good non-stick pan. So my trick also is to be patient and let the oil heat up really, really hot before doing it. And I use a flat skillet, but I am going to do one in a little round-sided pan too, because then we can try and flip it, because it's very hard to flip them in these flat ones.
Oh yeah, you need the edge, don't you, to give it a bit of
a swoop. Yeah. Okay, so this is what I learned about Pancake Day. Okay. It goes back to the 1400s, and it was in Buckinghamshire. Some housewife was rushing to church when she heard the bells go, and so she arrived at the door with her frying pan in her hand. And so in that same town, they do the races where they you have to be they dress up, fancy dress, but often they're looking like a housewife with aprons like we have, sometimes headscarves on. And the rule is you have to toss them 3 times. Oh, I haven't turned my heat on. That'll help.
Well, I'm just checking mine's not too hot because I don't want to.
Yeah, mine'll take a while because it's electric.
Oh, got a gas one. It's not going to take me long. And the first one's always rubbish.
No, it's not rubbish if you make it the night before. Okay, I have a question for you. When are you heating your pan up, or you just look?
I just took it off because it was so hot.
Oh, okay. Yeah, mine's not ready yet. Do you just pour it out of your bowl, or do you scoop it and measure it when you do it?
I use a jug.
Oh, well, that was smart of you.
But I'm not very good at thin ones, so I don't want any critics. I'm going to go for one because I think I'm hot enough.
Yeah, I'm not. Okay, you go for it.
Okay, I'm going to go for one. I don't think the first one's much good anyway.
Yeah, I used to make mine really, really small.
So,
see, you've got a lump. I see it. I see it.
Eh?
You've got a lump in there, don't you?
Oh, teeny tiny one. It's the pancake. It's fine. It's a nice pancake. And then leave it until the edges just curl a bit, and then you can flip it.
Yeah, I think I'm going to just pour it out of my pan.
Okay. Oh, a bit longer.
Do you know any pancake songs?
No. Not at the top of this. I'm not going to toss it. Let me get braver.
Yeah. That's why I use my.
I'm too impatient. I should have left it longer, but we can flip it back. Not enough colour yet.
From a flipping one.
Yeah. Shall we go tossing? You ready?
Yeah, you do.
3, 2, 1. Oh, yes. Wasn't very high, but it did flip.
So, I always like doing the skillet too, because then you never know what shape you're going to get. We've done before where we've tried to make the solar system because they look very planet-like.
You need a jug with a nice pour.
Can you flip yours? Well, I guess when it comes out, you'll be able to see how thin it is. Yours is probably done.
Yeah, mine's done. Oh, I don't know if you got that on shot. Oh, yes. The dog's hovering. The dog's just here in case I missed. So if I show this way, and then you can see it's a skinny pancake, not like your American ones. You do fat, chunky ones. There you go.
Yeah. Are you going to eat that one right away?
No. I'll make a few. We can stack them up. Let's make some. In fact, I'm going to turn it down just a tad. Okay. I've always done really thick ones. I think this mix is a bit too thick. Really, I might add a bit of water just to.
Yeah, I like mine really thin, so I would always go heavy on the milk. So basically for me, if it's not wanting to come off, it's not ready for flipping. So I'm using, instead of my wrist, I'm using the spatula.
Fair enough. I'm nearly there with myself.
What are you going to put on yours?
Oh, lemon and sugar.
And that's it? You know, you switch it up, do anything else?
I do like a bit of golden syrup. That is my favourite, but I've got to switch it.
So golden syrup is a little bit like maple syrup, but
nice.
Different taste, but it's that same kind of very sugary syrup. But the British tradition is to put lemon juice, and you put it all on, and then you sprinkle a layer of sugar on and roll it up, and you put another little layer of lemon juice and sugar on that. So it's kind of like a sweet sour pancake.
Good.
Yeah. Okay, we'll do it again because that was fun. Oh no, that didn't work. It's fun, but it's tricky.
Oh, yeah.
That was a good one. Oh, that was a. Oh no, I can't get it to flip. I'm going too high. There we go. All right.
Yeah, but with the height, it makes it risky. It's fun. Yeah. The nice thing with the skinny ones is they don't take long to cook. I think that bit of water's made all the difference to my batter. It's much better. I'm proud. I'm proud of that one. Look.
It's a nice colour.
It's good.
You know,
I'm impressed with that one. That's good. Ooh, nearly flipped. The colour's much better.
Okay, check again.
Well, no. They're the old ones. And then that's the new one. The one with the water in.
Oh, yeah.
So quite a bit.
Yeah, the ones without the water look very homey, and the ones that we're used to.
These are what we've always made for many a year.
That's mine. You can't really tell that they're that different. I'm going to bring my lemon and sugar over here.
Look, you see, Alaska Ulu knife.
What have you got? Oh, your Ulu knife?
Well, one lemon, one Ulu knife.
Oh, that's so fancy, Helen. Why would you ever use a fresh lemon on a pancake? But I'm going to do it on the other one because there was one underneath it. Put a little bit of lemon on it.
Okay, I'm going to have a squeeze.
Put a little sugar on it.
And full of
roll it up.
Sugar. Oh, you're ahead of me. I'll catch up.
I am ahead of you.
A little bit of
and
sugar.
then if you want to, you can put another layer of lemon juice and sugar, but I kind of went heavy on the lemon juice, so I'm just going to add some sugar. And mwah, grubs up.
Grubs up. Cheers. That looks a bit anemic. Yeah, it's a pure sugar rush, but it's a treat. That's fine. Every day, maybe not, but
oh, they're good.
Yeah, nice.
Happy Pancake Day!